Hey everyone, and welcome to Q Shala's Curiosity Clips episode 6. What do guns, clocks, eyeglasses, the invention of the printing press, and vaccines have in common? All of them were invented during pandemics. Yes, although not in the same time period, most of these items were invented during a pandemic or a world crisis. Let's take a look at one of the pandemics that changed the course of Europe's history. The Black Death, also known as the Plague. Plague is a disease that was said to have approximately wiped out 200 million people and is caused by the fleas on rodents. Said to have wiped out most of Europe's population from 1347 to 1351, plague was deadly. Because it wiped out so much of Europe's population, the number of people available for cheap labor came down considerably, which inspired many inventions as technology had to become less labor intensive. Some inventions were the guns, clock, printing press in the 1400s, and many medical inventions. Another major pandemic that broke out in India was polio. Polio, caused by a virus, is a deadly disease which affects the joints. In areas with poor sanitation, the virus easily spreads from feces into water supply by touch or into food. It is fatal. Until 2009, India constituted for 60% of global polio cases. But the Indian government, along with partners of Global Polio Eradication Initiative, Rotary, and WHO, took great measures to administer the polio vaccination, also known as the oral polio vaccination, to all children in India. In 2014, India was considered polio free and serves as a brilliant example of perseverance and dedication. Smallpox is thought to date back to the Egyptian Empire and spread throughout the world until the 1950s. On an average, 3 out of 10 people who got smallpox would die. A doctor named Edward Jenner discovered in 1796 that milkmaids who had gotten cowpox did not experience symptoms for smallpox, and thus he developed the first smallpox vaccine. By 1980, smallpox had been eradicated completely. And of course, this brings us to our present day COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, the situation is bad and nobody could have ever imagined this. But as history has taught us, all bad situations do come to an end, and so many new inventions, medical research, technological advancements do come out of it. As a tribute to Bill Withers, who passed away recently, here are a few lines from his song Lean On Me. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. So we've just got to keep our hopes up and stay safe and stay inside. And what are you doing to keep yourself sane during this lockdown? If you're searching for something to do, then come join us for our Q Shala Sunday Family Quiz. Find the link given below. We hope that you found this curiosity clip useful. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, then like, share and subscribe to our channel Q Shala. And to learn more about what we do and attend a free Q Shala masterclass, visit www.qshala.com. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you soon.